Hey YouTube, we are back here at our channel, our brand new channel, a 99 Tahoe is the name of it, and we're going to be highlighting all the service and upgrades to a 1999 Chevy Tahoe 5.7 liter V8 4x4 beast of a truck. And here we got our bare metal floor. I have the carpet pulled out because I went to the junkyard and I got myself some new vinyl seats. Not new, but used. Just in a lot better shape, and I will be cleaning them up. You know, I cleaned them, just preliminary cleaning, but there's a lot of repair that you can do, and if you spend a little time on these, you can make these seats look like brand spanking new. There's so much more you can do with leather or vinyl as compared with the old stuff here, the cloth. And this was a fleet vehicle for the Metropolitan Airport Commission, so it was used, and it was a working truck, which, you know, that's what you want in trucks. You know, they're not just for show. They actually get stuff done, man. But these old cloth were completely worn out. They're dusty, they're dirty, and they hold grit and dog hair. We do have a 8-month-old German Shepherd named Wally. And that's part of the reason I went. Where's Wally? Wally, you better say hi, buddy. This is Wally. He's my buddy. See, Wally couldn't fit in a Ford Ranger, so we had to upgrade this truck, upgrade our truck game to get a bigger ride just to hold the big Wally dog in it. Here on my rear. So I did 3. I was able to get 3. Often the driver's side seat is all ripped up and in rough shape. It's going to be a little harder to find that one, but I'm working on that. I go out to U-Pull Junkyard just about you know, once a week, or what I do is I watch and see when they get a new compatible truck, which is a ton. The 99 Tahoe is compatible with so many different GM and GMC models that it gives me a lot of options. So I check and see when they get one on the lot, then I run out there and I attempt to pull off of it what I can. I got 3/4 of the seating done here. I'm just keeping my eye open for that driver's side, which we'll get it. But yeah, and since I pulled all the seats out of this bad boy, I decided to rip the carpet out. It was dirty, it was dingy, and it was just beyond cleaning. And so now I got my bare metal floors here, and as you can see, my seats are nice. I got my headrest situation here. I am going to clean them up and repair them even more, and these babies are going to look brand new by the time I'm done. So we'll have the camera rolling for that project, as well as the sound deadening project I'm planning on doing. The bare metal here is so beautiful, it's so nice, but you know, I'm planning on putting dual exhaust from the Cat back, and I'm not picking a dual exhaust that's just going to be ridiculously noisy for no reason. I'm actually going to go with one that has a deep mellow tone, it's called. But doing that, you know, it could increase a little bit of exhaust noise, and so I'm going to have to go on ahead and cover up my beautiful bare metal floor with some, I'm going to do Kill Mat, 80 mil butyl backed sound deadening mat. I'm going to roll that down. And I'm not going to just do, you know, one piece here and there, kind of like they suggest. I'm going to cover the whole thing with it. And then I'm going to go with the 157 mil closed cell foam mat over the top of that. And then I'm going to replace the carpet either with a universal stretch carpet, or else I'll go with the you know, aftermarket factory molded carpet. We'll see what I end up deciding with that. But of course, I'm going to have the camera there, and you can join me along with the ride as we work on this. And if you drive a similar model, or even a Tahoe in itself, and you're into this type of thing, make sure to subscribe and like, and keep your eyes open, because we're going to be working on this project together. Another reason, you know, putting the exhaust might increase my noise a little bit, and then I'm also going to upgrade the speakers in the sound system. They're just kind of crappy. The factory ones are just, speakers are just paper thin. They're no good. So we're going to upgrade that, and we're gonna be jamming out on a high quality system. And if we're going to go through the trouble of that, we might as well sound deaden, you know, the floors and the door panels. Of course, you can't forget those. Get as much of the firewall as we can, and just get this thing, you know, closer to a luxury vehicle on the interior anyway, and have it be like riding on a cloud. And so that's just something that we got to do. We got to do it right. Now, when I went and put my seats back in, these new seats that I junkyard pulled, I did grease up my bolts here so that they're gonna come out nice and easy next time, just because I know I'm gonna have to be removing them. But Wally likes to go for a ride with me wherever I go, so I had to quickly get these seats back in so the boy can climb in here and ride with us. It's just a good time for him. So that's what we got going here with that one. Yeah, the carpet was just beyond repair, so I decided, well, I got the seats out, let's pull that crap out and let's get rid of it. And yeah, it's just a good time. Love this truck. Rambo is its name. 99 Tahoe, 5.7 liter V8, 4x4 truck, 185,000 miles on it now. I've driven it for a year and put on 10,000 miles, and I'm gonna trick it out. So make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna do all kinds of mods and comparisons, and just have a good time doing it. So again, thank you. Please subscribe and keep your eyes open. More videos to come. I forgot to mention a great question that probably comes up as well. How much louder is this now running just a bare floor? You know, I'm driving around not only on side streets but on freeway driving with the bare floor, and it is a bit louder. You know, granted, it was noisy already. The automotive carpet with that rubber backing, it didn't do a whole lot. You know, the difference isn't too drastic. Little bit slightly noisier. You get a little bit more road noise, a little more tire noise, but it was noisy anyway. So it's just a good idea to get in there and do some sound deadening if you want it to be nice and comfortable. Short trips is manageable, but when you're doing the long hauls and freeway driving, you know, after a while that droning vibration sound and kind of a echo, it does get to you in the head. You know, it gives you a headache. So we're gonna deaden this baby up. I'm not gonna get a decibel reader. You know, there's a lot of other videos that have done that, and they've done a good job kind of showing what you get for doing, you know, the sound deadening. But regardless, we're gonna put it in there, and I'm sure it's, you know, anything's gonna be an improvement. Anything will help. And what you're looking at here is this is the rear HVAC system. So when I have it on floor setting, it just pushes the air through this tunnel, and it ends up coming out in two spots back here, and then just a little bit of airflow towards the back. This model didn't have the rear climate control system. Some of them do. Mine doesn't. So that's what we get for rear. But the fan replaced the blower motor, and it does blow, you know, hard enough out of our panel vents here to cool off the back rather quickly. And you know, that should the efficiency of the HVAC system should even be improved when I go ahead and do the sound deadening, because you also get a you know, temperature control barrier along with that material. And we'll do the Kilmat 80 butyl, and then I think Silas makes the 157 mil closed cell foam I'm going to put over the top of that, and then we'll decide on what type of carpet. Kind of leaning towards the universal stretch carpet, but we'll see. They have good options out there. So again, this is what we're doing on our new YouTube channel, a 99 Tahoe. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm just playing catch up with a lot of the things that I've already done, and then you can come, you know, coming back and touching on these, but you can come along for the ride on all the future projects. We'll have the camera rolling right there, and you can have a good laugh as I suffer in agony and break my back and knuckles working on it. This is what I do when I'm not working. I work. So it's a good truck to work on. You know, they're solid, and this bad boy should be lasting me for a long time. All right, thank you very much. Talk to you later.